ProNav Angler mobile app is available on iTunes and the Google Play Store. First, download our app from one of those sources. If you're an iOS user, the iTunes Store. If you're an Android user, the Google Play Store. Once you've got the app installed on your device, you'll open the app from the icon on your home screen. When the ProNav Angler mobile app launches, you'll arrive to the home screen of the app. Our home screen acts as your basic manual control functions for the electric trolling motor. Now that you've installed the ProNav Angler on your trolling motor, you can connect the mobile app to the ProNav Angler device. To do so, select the Connect icon in the bottom left of the home screen of the app. Sometimes there will be a slight delay as your device searches for the Bluetooth connection. Once the Bluetooth device is located, you'll see your ProNav serial number. You can select this and your device will connect to the hardware. Once your mobile device is connected to the ProNav Angler, you'll see a red revert stop icon in the bottom left screen, and your app will show a reverted status. The bottom toolbar shows your motor status, thrust setting, speed in miles per hour, a easy GPS location mark button, and a live view button to get to your map screen. Our menu contains several features including logging into your cloud account, calibrating the motor, reverting to your foot pedal, and connecting or disconnecting from the ProNav Angler. At any time, you can get back to our home screen by selecting the home icon located in the top right corner. You can also select the mode to return to the home screen as well. Our live view screen will load a map showing your current position, and you can zoom to a different area. Our home screen provides quick access to all the manual controls of your trolling motor. From here, you can turn your prop on and off, you can increase or decrease the thrust, and turn your trolling motor left or right. In addition, you've got quick and easy access to the three main smart modes: anchoring, vectoring, and creating a route. At any time, with one press, you can select the anchor icon or vector icon to engage those modes. At any time, pressing the revert or stop button will disengage the motor and revert back to manual control. Now that we've connected the mobile app to the ProNav Angler hardware, the first step you'll need to perform once you have your unit installed and are on the water is calibrating the motor. To calibrate the motor, follow the on-screen prompts. Step 1 is to turn your motor to the right, roughly 90 degrees, and then press the start button and allow the motor to run through an entire calibration sequence. The motor will turn approximately 360 degrees during this calibration process. Once complete, the motor will momentarily turn clockwise and you'll know the cycle is complete. From the home screen, you can simply short press on any of these icons to engage that mode. A single press on the GPS anchor button will use the trolling motor to keep your boat's position. The motor will automatically increase and decrease the thrust and control the steering of the motor to maintain your position relative to the winds, waves, and current. A single short press on the vector icon will lock your motor's current GPS heading. Your motor will maintain this GPS heading and can be adjusted using your foot pedal or co-pilot fob. Selecting the routes icon will bring you to your live map view and allow you to begin creating a route. Route creation can be done by simply pressing and holding on the screen to create points. I can simply hit go, and the trolling motor will begin to navigate the route. At any time, a long press on our icons will bring up a context menu that displays some additional options. Under the anchor long press menu, we have the option to anchor at current location, similar to our short press, or you also have the option to create an anchor point from the live map view or view existing anchor points. In this example, we'll create an anchor point off the live map view. Once your map loads, you can zoom into an area that you wish to anchor press and hold on the screen and hit go. The motor will automatically navigate you towards this point. Once you're in this location, the motor will automatically adjust its thrust and heading in order to maintain your position. Your boat will generally point in the direction of the prevailing force, whether it be wind, waves, or current. From the vector long press menu, you have the option to lock your GPS heading, lock compass heading, or create a vector on the map. Locking your GPS heading will maintain a straight course over ground, whereas locking the compass heading will maintain the compass direction that your motor is always pointing. Creating a vector on the map will bring you into the live view and allow you to create a GPS heading lock that maintains a true course over ground. At any time, selecting the routes icon will bring you to your live map view. Long pressing on the routes icon will display a list of saved routes, organized in proximity relative to your current position. At any time, you can select a route and use the toggle bar located at the top left corner of the screen to flip through routes and view them graphically on a map. The route, if you find a saved route that you wish to navigate, you can simply press go at any time to begin the route. In addition, the saved route screen allows you to select a starting point anywhere along the route and flip the direction of the route by pressing the flip arrows located in the top right corner of the screen. To run this route, simply press go. To create a new route, press the routes icon, and once the map loads, you may begin adding waypoints by long pressing on the screen until a point is set. A route can be comprised of any number of points spaced any distance apart. A route can be saved by pressing the save icon and giving the route a name. When a route is saved, it can be accessed by long pressing the routes icon and finding the name from the menu. The route will load on the screen, and you'll have the option to run the route or to edit the route. To edit a saved route, press the pencil icon in the top right corner of the screen. Once a saved route is loaded, you can simply long press on any of the points to modify the existing route. You can move a point to any new location. To save the changes to your route, press the save icon and select Save Changes. If you wish to save this as a new route, select Save a New Route and give it a new name. When you begin a route, you have the option to select what the motor will do at the end: stop, vector on, or anchor. The live map view also gives you the option to change map layers and cache map areas for offline use. To cache a map area for offline use, zoom to the area that you wish to store and select the cache icon located in the upper right corner of the screen. You'll be prompted to enter a name for this map area. To change map layers at any time, simply press the map layers icon in the upper right corner of the screen and select a different layer option. To view cached maps, select the Map box Outdoors Offline Use mode. Select a save map to view. When caching a map, zooming to a smaller area will save that map at a higher resolution. Caching a larger map area will save that area at a lower resolution. When your trolling motor prop is on, you have two available options to set the thrust and speed. The first option is a thrust control. You can simply select a thrust from 0 to 100% and send that directly to the motor. As a second mode, we have a cruise control feature that allows you to set a target speed when running a route or vector and send that to the trolling motor. The motor will automatically adjust the thrust in order to maintain that target speed. At any time, if you wish to save your current location on the map, you can simply hit the Mark button. This will create a waypoint at your current location. At any time, you can view your saved marks by long pressing on the anchor button and selecting View All Anchor Points. If there are available waypoints nearby your current location, you can select a mark and hit Go and navigate towards that point. Upon arrival at that location, your trolling motor will be in anchor mode. Saved marks can also be used when creating a new route.